Hi there, my name is Joanne Moss, and welcome to the March Hot Products in a Hot Minute. This is episode 9 for the year, and today I have with me someone you haven't seen before, Dave Schufreider with Hubbell. Welcome, Dave. He's here to tell us more about the Hubbell LineSafe Breakaway Connector, which is a really cool thing. I got to see it in person. So, Dave, why don't you go ahead and start us off?
Thanks, Joanne. Yeah, so Hubbell came out with the LineSafe Breakaway Connector about a year ago now. And the thought process behind it was, if you imagine a gas station, how many times you've been getting gas and somebody decides to drive off, leaving the pump attached to the car. They have an actual breakaway connector on that gas pump so they don't pull the whole hose out or don't spill gasoline all over and cause a potential fire. We came up with something along those same lines for refrigerated trucks. For example, your wholesale grocery distribution warehouse has just rows and rows and rows of loading docks. Those refrigerated trailers have to be powered somehow to keep the coolant going, keep your vegetables fresh and that sort of thing. So they have connectors like our pin and sleeve type connectors that we already have, and they plug them in, they provide power and keep the box cars cool. Sometimes the truck drivers hop in and take off, forgetting to disconnect that plug and receptacle, causing all sorts of damage and potential sparks and that sort of thing. So we came out with our LineSafe Breakaway Connector to go in line with what they already have. So what I mean when I say in line is that they already have their box on a wall bed loading dock with a cord coming out of it attached to the plug that would go to the truck. This goes in line with that. So if that truck driver takes off without disconnecting it, it'll just break away on its own and not cause major damage to the existing electrical box that this was attached to. And how we do that is it's magnet. So there's a magnet on the plug side and a magnet on the receptacle side. And it takes about 130 pounds of force to disconnect that. So if that does happen, all that's going to happen is that this connector, which has a nice little rubberized collar around it, is just going to bounce along. The other nice thing about it is we have integrated a auxiliary contact. So in theory, they could hook it up and then send a signal back to the loading dock or someone else within the facility that, hey, truck number 72 took off and did not disconnect their power source. There's a number of different possible users. Airports, all the little baggage cars or food cars going around in the airport. Agricultural, they have their mobile conveyor lines, putting potatoes on or other vegetables, that sort of thing. So like I said, it's somewhat of a unique product, especially for us, but it is incorporating our pin and sleeve type products that we've had forever and a day. They are 60 amp. They go up to 480 volt. They are 3-wire and 4-wire. If anybody would like to see a working demonstration or a sample, please reach out to your local Standard Electric representative, and they can get in contact with me or one of my teammates throughout the area, and be more than happy to come in and show you what the LineSafe Breakaway Connector is all about.
Thanks, Dave. I've always been afraid of driving away with my with the gas stuck in my car. I'm glad to know that they have a breakaway, and glad that now manufacturing facilities and other type of facilities can also have that breakaway from Hubbell, the LineSafe Breakaway Connector. So as Dave said, if you need a quote, want to see it in person, just reach out to your account manager. Also, please like, subscribe, and follow, and we will see you next week on Hot Products in a Hot Minute with Standard Electric.